Selling a home is a big step. It's exciting, it's a little nerve-wracking, and let's be honest, it's also a lot of work. Whether you're upgrading to your dream home, maybe downsizing to simplify your life, or you're ready for a complete change of scenery, the goal is always the same. You want your home to stand out and sell for the best price possible. But here's the thing, a great home doesn't sell itself. Presentation matters. It's like getting ready for that first date. You want to put on your best foot forward and show off your best features. Let's talk about staging today, your secret weapon for creating that magic moment for buyers. Imagine walking into a house that feels like it was just made for you. The furniture fits perfectly, the lighting is warm, and the entire space just invites you to stay. I'm going to walk you through a room by room guide to staging your home like a pro. And no, this does not mean spending a fortune on fancy furniture. I'm talking about small, smart updates that are going to make a big impact. Let's get started. First impressions really are everything. Think about it. When you meet someone for the first time, you form an opinion within seconds. Buyers are no different. The entryway is your home's handshake. Now that's kind of corny, I know, but stick with me. It sets the tone for the entire showing. If your entryway feels cluttered or uninviting, buyers are already starting off on the wrong foot. Here's what you do. You need to declutter completely. Clear away shoes, coats, anything that screams lived in and not enough storage. Think about an empty canvas and how it makes it easier to picture new possibilities for a buyer. It's the same with your entryway. Maybe think about adding some life, maybe a potted plant or some fresh flowers, or even a decorative vase by the door. Plants are like magic. They instantly make a space feel alive and cared for. And light the way. If your entry feels dark, swap out old bulbs for brighter, warmer ones, or even put in some electric sconces. Lighting is such a simple fix, but it makes a huge difference in setting the mood. Now let's be honest, kitchens sell homes. It's a fact. It's where buyers imagine family dinners, weekend baking marathons, and late night snacks. Your kitchen doesn't need to look like it came out of a magazine, but it does need to feel clean, functional, and a little bit charming. Here's how you can achieve that without spending a ton of money. Declutter ruthlessly. Ruthlessly is the key word here. Keep only a few essential items on your counters, like a coffee maker or a pretty fruit bowl. Everything else should be tucked away. Trust me, buyers don't want to see your mismatched Tupperware collection or your spoon collection. Freshen up. Even something as simple as updating cabinet hardware can make your kitchen feel like it's had a mini facelift. If you're feeling ambitious, a coat of paint can work wonders too. But it's not necessarily something you have to do. But you do need to deep clean. This one's non-negotiable. A spotless kitchen is going to tell the buyers that this home has been well cared for. Now let's step into the living room. This is where buyers are going to imagine themselves unwinding after a long day, binging their favorite shows, or hosting family game nights with friends and family. Your job is to create a space that feels cozy, functional, and effortlessly stylish. It seems like a lot, but here's how you're going to do it. It all starts with furniture placement. You want to arrange your furniture to create conversation zones and allow for easy flow throughout the space. The goal is to make the room feel open and inviting, not cramped. And listen, if your oversized sectional is eating up all the real estate in the room, it might need to take a vacation to a storage container while you bring in some smaller, more appropriately sized furniture. And then let's let in the light. Natural light is going to be your best friend. Clean those windows like your home sale depends on it, because it kind of does. Windows can make a big difference. And for evening showings, make sure all the lights are on, including the lamps in the rooms. And then finally, add some textures and layers. Think soft blankets, throw pillows, maybe a neutral rug. It's going to tie everything together. Buyers love the idea of curling up in a space that feels warm and inviting, especially on a snowy day. Now let's go into the dining room, that place where everyone gathers. Even if you haven't used your dining room since last Thanksgiving, it's time to bring it back to life. Dining spaces are where buyers picture themselves hosting family dinners, celebrations, or even just impromptu takeout nights with friends. They're aspirational spaces, so let's make yours shine. And to do that, you'll start by clearing the table. Remove everything and start with a clean surface. Maybe a simple table runner or a centerpiece to add just the right amount of style, not too much. You don't want to take away from the room. And then you'll set the scene. For formal spaces, go all out with plates and wine glasses. If it's a casual dining area, keep it simple with a small plant or a neat stack of placemats on the table. You don't have to go as crazy. And mind the scale. Again, oversized furniture is going to make your room feel tight. And then undersized pieces are going to look out of place just floating in the middle of nowhere. So find that Goldilocks balance and make sure that the space is furniture sized appropriately. Now let's go into the bedroom. Bedrooms are about one thing only, and that's relaxation. The moment a buyer is going to walk into your primary bedroom, they should feel calm, comfortable, and like they've entered their own personal sanctuary. And here's how you're going to do that. Go neutral. Stick to calming neutral tones for bedding, curtains, and walls. Bright, bold colors might reflect your personality and might work for you, but neutral tones are going to create that blank canvas that buyers need. Then upgrade on bedding. Here you might want to splurge on some crisp, fresh linens with a touch of luxury. Think decorative pillows and a soft throw blanket. It's an instant wow factor, and you get to bring it with you to the next place. And then declutter your closets. Yes, a buyer is going to peek inside your closet. A neat, organized closet suggests that your home has plenty of storage space, even if you secretly Marie Kondo'd your entire wardrobe just before listing. Staging isn't just about making your home look pretty. It's about creating a feeling. When buyers can picture themselves living in your home, they're more likely to make an offer. And the numbers back this up. Staged homes often sell faster and for more money. It's true. You might not believe it, but there are statistics to back it up. If you're thinking about selling in the Kawartha Lakes region, I would love to help you stage your home to shine. Every detail matters, and together we could make sure that your home stands out from the competition. Are you ready to tackle your home sale? Now that you know how to stage your home like a pro, check out my video on 8 common decluttering mistakes that you're probably making so that you can avoid the biggest pitfalls before your first showing.